Hello, everyone. My name is Prem Kiran Reddy, founding attorney of Reddy's Law Firm. In this episode, we will talk about the parietal lobe of the brain in a TBI or traumatic brain injury setting. This episode is for informational purposes only and is not meant to be for medical or legal advice. The parietal lobe is behind the frontal lobe in the upper part of our brain. The parietal lobe processes sensory information from pain, temperature, touch, vibration stimuli, and proprioception or position sense. It also plays an important role in understanding the facial expressions of others. Damage here can also result in problems with repetition of words due to conduction aphasia. Damage to the right parietal lobe can also lead to conditions like anosognosia, where individuals may become unaware of or deny their own deficits. It can also lead to somatognosia, difficulty recognizing one's own body parts. It may even lead to hemi-neglect, neglecting one side of one's own body. Injury here can also cause graphesthesia, which is the inability to recognize patterns when drawn on the skin, and stereognosis, which is the inability to identify objects when placed in the hand. The parietal lobe is also involved in visuospatial processing, which is the ability to see and understand the spatial relationships between objects. Damage to this area can lead to problems in drawing, dressing up, assembling objects, hand-eye coordination, and navigating through space. It can also play a part in localization of sound in space. Parietal lobe can also play a role in paying attention, working memory, and problem solving. The parietal lobe is also involved in number sense, the ability to understand and manipulate numbers. Damage to this area can lead to problems with counting and calculating, which can then affect tasks like money management. Damage to the parietal lobe in the left hemisphere, specifically the angular gyrus, can cause Kurtzman syndrome, where one can have problems to calculate, write, distinguish fingers, and have difficulty to distinguish the left side of the body from the right side. It is important to note that the specific effects of damage to the parietal lobe can vary depending on the location and severity of the injury, and each case is unique and should be evaluated by a trained medical professional. Note that this is a very brief overview of a vast topic. Each part of the brain works in concert with other parts. So if one part of the brain is affected, it could affect other parts of the brain as well. Please remember that the symptoms do not always have to be obvious. They can be very subtle or appear only with complex tasks. I will be going into more details of the functions of different areas of the brain in future episodes. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep yourself informed of my past and upcoming episodes on various other topics. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon in the next episode. Bye-bye.